Hello, this is a quick review of some bean motions that involve copy and paste. Mm, Believe me, if you practice this, you will improve a lot in editing code. So let's start. Mm, the basics first. In neovim, you copy with Y, you paste with P, and you select the things with P. For example, if I want to copy this, I enter visual mode with B. I select what I want, then I press Y, and then I paste with P. Y is the letter for Yang. Okay? No. If you want to copy the whole line, you can do Y two times. Okay? If you want to copy the whole word, you can do Y I W. This means Yang inside word. Okay? And you can do in any position of the word. It doesn't matter. So you can be here or at the start of the word or at the end. This is very helpful because if you edit uh, text fast, sometimes you don't know where where the cursor is. So in any position you press Y I W and you copy the word. Okay, you can copy and paste what is inside quotes in any position of the line. For example, if I'm here and I press Y, I, what, I copy the inside of the quote. Okay, this is Yang inside quote. Okay, and you can do it in any position. You you don't need to be in the word. You can be in any place. You can do something similar to the previous one, but including the quotes. For example, if you press Yang around what, you copy the word, including the quotes. Okay. Once again, you don't need to be in the word. Uh, this is very important because sometimes you miss the cursor when you editing the code. Okay, and you can do this with not only with the quotes. You can do it with square brackets, curly brackets, and parentheses. For example, if I want to copy and paste these parameters, I can do Yang inside parentheses, and then I can paste that. Okay. If I want to copy and paste the body of the method, I can do Y I and curly bracket once again. Y I and curly bracket. I use this a lot. This is very helpful too. If you want to copy the values inside an array, you can do yank inside the square bracket. So you can be here and you press Y, I, and break. Okay. If you want to copy and paste from the cursor to the end of the line, you can press Y and the money symbol. Okay. If you want to copy from the cursor to the start of the line, you can press Y and 0. I use, if you want to copy and substitute that word for another one, you can use this yank inside word and then visual in visual mode inside word and paste. I use this a lot. For example, yank inside word and I copy the word there and then B I W. I select all the word and then paste. Okay. So that's it. Practice this and you will improve a lot in neovim. So hope you like it. See you.